Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record calls in Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A05 and now you want to record calls, so let's see how can you do this. First, let me explain that there is not any default or built-in features in your phone to record calls, but we can easily record calls. So let's see how. You just need to install a third-party application. Just open Play Store, go for search bar, and here you just have to search for an app which is called Recorder Automatic. Just search for this one, and here you just need to install this application which has 4.5 ratings and 10 million plus downloads, so you can easily install it. It will be best for your phone. Just have one install and it will install now. Just wait for installation and then we will have a setup of this. After the installation you just have to open the app. Just have an open and it will be open to your phone. Here you just need to allow some permission. Just tap on grant permissions and here select allow all or are using the app. Then allow, and here select allow. And here you just need to tap on OK, then tap on allow again, and then select OK. From here you just need to look for auto call recorder app. Just tap on it and then enable it. Then select allow. Now you can easily record your apps. So let's see how. Just tap on allow, and here if you want any pin protection you can easily manage, but I'm going to cancel it because I don't want any protection. And here your all call recording will be here. When you receive any call or you will make any call, here your outgoing call, here's the incoming calls. So here's your all recordings. So here you will get all of your recorded calls. So that's how you can easily record calls in Samsung Galaxy A04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.